everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1017 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this product from the brand Sugar Rush by Tarte, and this is their Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. And this is a product I got in my November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and I was so excited to get a Sugar Rush Tarte product. I just think the packaging on these products is so fun. They're all cruelty-free and vegan, and I just love those hydrating lip products. My lips right now are embarrassingly dry, so my lips need this desperately, and we're really gonna be able to see how hydrating it is. I got this in the shade Fresh Pressed. Like, look at the packaging, it's just so fun. I love all the details. And it has this little neon grip. Let's see what the applicator is like. Ooh, nice big doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. It smells so sweet. It smells like a sweet tart type of candy. Yum. So this has a retail value of $15, and it has jojoba, hazel, and sunflower seed oils to lock in moisture. I can't even wait any longer. I have to add the moisture to my lips right now. I'm surprised the applicator feels a little dry. This is very sticky though. Wait, let me see if I can add some more, because I almost feel like that applicator was super dry. But I'm surprised. For a lip oil, I thought this would be less thick, a little bit more slippy. But it's actually very thick and very sticky. Like, I feel like I could stick anything to my lips right now. And it has that pretty shine to it. But I don't love the feel of it. Like, it feels so heavy on my lips right now. And I did apply a lot of it because I really wanted it to hydrate my dry lips. But it's not fully hydrating. Like, there's a lot of like chapped texture to my lips right now, where it almost feels like it kind of like exfoliated in a way, which is weird, but not to the point where it like exfoliated away the dry lips. I don't know, it's just like the texture is really weird. It's not super hydrating to my dry lips. Like, it kind of gives the illusion of being hydrating because it has this thick layer of sheen on top of the dry lips, but underneath my lips are just as dry. It really is such a weird formula that I'm not a big fan of. And I love Tarte products. Like, I was so excited about this, but you know, I have to be honest, and especially someone with very dry lips, I want a product that's going to be hydrating and comfortable on the lips, and this is neither of those. Also, it's completely clear. That shade Fresh Pressed, I mean, it doesn't really mean anything. It's totally clear. But I just I'm not happy with how my lips feel. Like, I actually want to take this off because it's so sticky, but then I have that like uncomfortable, somewhat exfoliated feel. It's so weird. We have a little visitor. But yeah, I am so curious to hear your thoughts on this product if you have tried it. It is so not what I expected. And even just the longer that I've had this on, the more time it has had to hydrate my lips, it is not hydrating my lips at all. It's just this sticky coating on top of my dry lips, which is very unenjoyable. But oh well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.